Want to save time and grow your business on autopilot? In this video, I'll explain how automation workflows in ClickFunnels work, and how you can use them to boost sales, follow up with leads, and simplify your marketing. So, what are automation workflows? In ClickFunnels 2.0, workflows are visual automation tools that let you create step-by-step sequences. These sequences can send emails, assign tags, add contacts to lists, send internal notifications, and much more, all triggered automatically by actions your leads take. Here's how it works. You start with a trigger. This could be when someone opts into your funnel, purchases a product, or clicks a specific link. Next, you add actions to your workflow. For example, send a welcome email immediately. Wait 2 days, then send a follow-up with a special offer. Add them to a new email list. Or tag them for a future campaign. It's all done through a simple drag and drop interface, no coding required. You can build workflows for checkmark lead nurturing sequences, checkmark abandoned cart reminders, checkmark webinar follow-up, checkmark product launch sequences, checkmark affiliate onboarding, and more. The best part? Once it's set up, your funnel continues working 24/7, sending the right message to the right person at the right time. ClickFunnels workflows help you move beyond just building pages, and into full customer journeys that drive results automatically. Right finger, want to try it yourself? Check the video description for a free ClickFunnels trial and done-for-you automation templates. Right finger, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more ClickFunnels tutorials, strategies, and automation tips. Thanks for watching. Now go automate your business with confidence.